Friends, today we are going to discuss about controlled drug delivery system. What are controlled drug delivery system and how we can make SR, CR. We will discuss in this lecture. Now the topic we are going to discuss in this lecture are introduction, terminology, rationale, advantages and disadvantages of controlled drug delivery system. These terminologies which we are going to discuss are the most important topics. So let us study. Before starting the drug delivery system, we should know about what is drug delivery system. We always talk about drug delivery system and we don't know the main topic that what is drug delivery system. Actually, drug delivery system is a technology through which we can identify how much drug is required at a particular site of body and how we can use the technology and innovations to reach that particular site to give a therapeutic effect and minimum dose and to reduce the side effects. Before starting ideal drug delivery system, we should know about modified release drug delivery system. Actually, modified release drug delivery systems are of two types, that is controlled drug delivery system and delayed release system. Now the ideal properties of a drug delivery system are, first of all, it should deliver drug at a rate detected by the individual over the period of the treatment. Second, it should channel the active entirely solely to the site of action. And the third important point to be noted is that this is achieved by the development of new various modified drug delivery system or dosage form like nasal drug delivery system or cotton candy drug delivery system or other types of drug delivery system. Whichever we are using should be a new concept. Then only it is known as modified drug delivery system. Now to know about different types of drug delivery system, there are three different types of drug delivery system. First is sustained, second is extended, and the third one is prolonged. There are some terminology that you should know before studying controlled drug delivery system. First is sustained release drug delivery. In this type of dosage form, therapeutic blood or tissue level is maintained by the drug for a prolonged period of time as the rate of the drug is already known. Second terminology is site specific and receptor targeting. There are